6 seated leg exercises after 60. Walk stronger. Can you stand up from a chair without using your hands? Try it right now. If you cannot, or if you struggled, you have lost up to 30% of your leg strength. And in the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you how to get it back using only a chair. But here is the part that terrifies doctors. There is one muscle that 9 out of 10 seniors completely ignore. It is the number one reason sideways falls happen, and it is the easiest one to fix. I will show you exactly which muscle at the 7-minute mark. But if you skip ahead, you will miss the 5 other moves that make it work. This routine has been watched over 9 million times because it works without getting on the floor, without fancy equipment, and without pain. I have heard from hundreds of people in their 70s, 80s, even 90s who went from needing help standing up to walking a mile without stopping. Quick safety check. If you have recent surgery, severe joint problems, or balance issues that require assistance, check with your doctor first. For everyone else, these moves are designed to be safe and effective starting today. The secret. Your muscles have not given up. They are just waiting for the right signal. Here is what is stealing your strength after 60. 3 things. Number 1. Muscle loss. You lose 5% of muscle every decade after 30. By 70, your legs have lost 40% of their power. Every week you wait, you lose more. Number 2. The nerve delay. Your brain signals to your muscles slow down. It is like an old phone line with static. That is why you feel unstable when you stand. It is not weakness, it's delayed response. Number 3. The fear cycle. You move less because you are scared. Moving less makes you weaker. Weakness makes you more scared. It is a trap. Struggle standing from low chairs. Push off armrests every time. Legs shake when you walk. Avoid stairs completely. Grab furniture to steady yourself. Fear of falling is constant. If you check 2 or more, your body is screaming for help. But here is the truth nobody tells you. All 6 of those reverse in as little as 3 weeks with the right seated exercises. That could be you. Let me show you how. 6 moves. 10 repetitions each. 1 targets balance, 1 targets walking power, 1 targets standing strength, and 1 is the hidden muscle that prevents sideways falls. Let us start building your foundation right now. Move 1. Toe raises your anti-trip shield. Sit tall, feet flat, heels stay glued down. Lift your toes toward the ceiling. Lower. This is your tibialis anterior. When this weakens, your foot slaps the ground. That is what catches on rugs and causes trips. Let us do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel that burn above your ankle? That is your trip prevention muscle waking up. In 2 weeks, you will stop shuffling. In 4 weeks, your steps will feel lighter. Next, the muscle that powers every single step. Move 2. Heel raises your walking engine. Same seat, toes down. Lift your heels up, lower. Your calves are your shock absorbers. They power forward motion. When these are weak, walking feels exhausting. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Burning? Perfect. That is decades of underuse reversing right now. These give you the push you need to walk farther without getting tired. Coming up, the big one, the difference between needing help and standing on your own. Move 3. Leg straightening your freedom muscle. This is the game changer. Sit tall, knees bent. Straighten your right leg completely. Hold 1 second. Lower, ankle weights. Use them if you are comfortable. No weights. Still powerful. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your quadriceps lift you from chairs, toilets, cars. Without these, you lose independence. With these strong, you move freely. These muscles determine if you can stand without pushing off. Halfway there. Next, the forgotten muscle that stops the shuffle. Move 4. Knee raises. The step lifter. Feet flat. Lift your right knee toward your chest. As high as comfortable. Need help? Use your hand. That is smart, not weak. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hip flexors lift your foot with every step. When these fail, you shuffle. Shuffling leads to tripping. Tripping leads to falls. Strong hip flexors mean you clear obstacles, curbs, thresholds. Wait. Before the next move, this is critical. What I am about to show you is the most ignored muscle in senior fitness, and it is the #1 reason for sideways falls. Watch closely. Move 5. Hip abduction. The fall prevention secret. This is it. The hidden muscle. Sit tall. Resistance band around thighs if you have one. Slide your right leg out to the side. Back in. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your gluteus medius, your outer hip. Here is what no doctor explains clearly. 90% of seniors ignore this muscle, and it is the #1 muscle that prevents sideways falls. Think about it. Getting out of bed, you step sideways. Getting in the shower sideways. Turning to reach something sideways. Getting out of a car sideways. Every single day you move sideways dozens of times. And if this muscle is weak, that is when you fall. Most exercise programs skip this completely. That is why people still fall even after doing leg exercises. Do not be like everyone else. Fix this muscle and watch your confidence explode. Move 6. Seated row. Your posture reset. Hold a band or towel between your hands, slight tension. Pull elbows back, squeeze shoulder blades, return. 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your upper back fights the forward slouch that crushes your lungs and weakens your core. Strong upper back means better breathing, better posture, better balance. Everything is connected. Now here is how to put all 6 together, and when you will see results. Your complete blueprint. Each exercise, 10 repetitions. Start with 1 set. Do this 3 times per week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday. After 3 weeks, add a second set or light resistance. Your setup. Sturdy chair, no wheels, feet flat, hip width apart. Sit toward the front edge. Back straight. Safety. Muscle burn equals good. Sharp pain equals stop immediately. Breathe out on effort. Never hold your breath. Here is what matters. The first 4 weeks are critical. That is when your nerves reconnect to your muscles fastest. That is when you see the most dramatic change. Every week you wait, you lose another 1% of strength. But every week you do this, you gain it back. Now let me prove this works. Margaret, age 71, 8 weeks ago. I cannot stand from my couch without both hands. I am terrified. I am going to a nursing home. 8 weeks of this routine, 3 times a week. Just these 6 moves. Last month, I stood up at a restaurant without thinking. I walked up 2 flights of stairs. I got on the floor with my grandson and stood back up alone. I cried. That is not luck. That is your muscles responding when you give them what they need. And remember that hidden muscle? Number 5, hip abduction. That is what transformed her sideways stability. That is what let her turn, reach, and move without grabbing counters. Most programs ignore it. You won't anymore. Here is what happens next. First, comment strong right now if you are starting this week. I personally reply and I want to cheer you on. Seriously, type strong. Second, type checklist and I will pin a free printable guide you can keep by your chair. Third, subscribe and hit the bell. Next week I am revealing the 3 breakfast foods that rebuild muscle twice as fast after 60. You need to see it. Listen, your body has not given up on you. It is just waiting for you to start. Every person who got stronger started exactly where you are right now. Scared, uncertain, weak. They chose to start anyway. You can be one of them. Start today. Stronger legs, better balance, real independence. It all starts with one choice. Make that choice right now.